Crypto rollercoaster, Bitcoin struggles, ETH on the edge, and a huge data breach. Hey crypto fam, Andrew here, your favorite crypto expert, coming at you live from the BitsPuls headquarters. Get ready to dive into the chaotic world of crypto news because, as always, there's a lot to unpack. Alright, buckle up because the crypto market is a roller coaster today. We're seeing a mixed bag of price fluctuations. Ethereum, our beloved ETH, is showing minor corrections, while Bitcoin, the king of crypto, is trying to recover after its recent dip. It's like watching a two-person dance. One person is stumbling around, trying to find its footing, while the other is attempting to stay on beat. The market is still pretty unsure of itself, so investors are carefully watching those key support and resistance levels. Let's break down the Bitcoin situation first. BTC is currently sitting at $6,072.01, with a slight gain of 0.10% over the last 24 hours. That's right, a measly gain, and that's what makes the crypto market so thrilling. It's like playing a game of chicken with your own emotions. The BTC chart is showing some signs of recovery, but it's still fragile. BTC found strong support at $6,022, but it's trying to break above the resistance at $6,094. You see, the market is constantly testing our patience. It's like a game of tug-of-war, pulling back and forth. The Bollinger Bands are indicating moderate volatility, which means the crypto market is still in that unpredictable, anything-can-happen stage. But hey, if BTC manages to break above that $6,094 mark, we could see it jump to $6,131. That's what all the cool kids are talking about. However, if it can't hold on to that $6,072.01, we might see a retest of that $6,022 support level. It's like a game of roulette, but with digital currency instead of a wheel. Now, let's talk about the trading volume. Binance, our favorite crypto exchange, is reporting relatively low trading volume at 141 BTC. Low volume means traders are playing it safe, waiting for a clear trend to emerge before diving in. It's like waiting for the right wave to catch before surfing. Moving on to Ethereum, our beloved ETH, it's trading at $2,405.72, down by 0.14% in the past 24 hours. The chart shows a slight downward movement, with ETH struggling to break through the resistance at $2,420. Those Bollinger Bands are getting narrower, which suggests a potential increase in price volatility. We're on the edge of our seats waiting for the next big move. The key levels to watch are resistance at $2,420 and $2,448. For support, look out for $2,389 and $2,358. The price is currently consolidating around that $2,400 mark, which means it's like a football game in the fourth quarter. It's anyone's game. If ETH breaks through that $2,420 resistance, we might see some serious gains. But if it falls below $2,389, it could test that lower support at $2,358. The volume analysis shows low trading activity with 1.27K on Binance. It seems traders are confused and unsure of what to do. It's like trying to navigate a maze with your eyes closed, but with a lot more money at stake. Now let's shift gears and talk about some legal developments in the crypto world. Heather Morgan, also known as Razokon, was involved in laundering 120,000 Bitcoin stolen from Bitfinex back in 2016. Prosecutors are recommending an 18-month jail sentence for her. It's like a real-life episode of Breaking Bad, except without the meth. Morgan and her husband, Ilya Lichtenshtein, struck a plea bargain in July 2023, where she admitted to laundering the Bitcoin, currently worth $7.2 billion. She used non-compliant crypto exchanges, darknet markets, and mixers to conceal her tracks. It's like trying to disappear into thin air, but in the digital world. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is pushing for a lighter sentence for Morgan because she was a cooperative witness. The prosecutor said that Morgan was a lower-level participant compared to Lichtenshtein. She only spent a small fraction of the stolen funds and wasn't aware of her husband's involvement in the hack until 2020. Lichtenshtein pled guilty to one count of conspiracy to commit money laundering and faces up to 20 years in prison. Morgan's sentencing is scheduled for November 15th and Lichtenstein's is set for November 14th. Okay, hold on to your hats because we're about to dive into another data breach. Fidelity Investments confirmed a data breach that affected over 77,000 customers. This occurred between August 17 and August 19, 2024. It's like a digital break-in, except the thieves are stealing your personal information. 2 newly created accounts were used to access customer information, including sensitive data like social security numbers and driver's licenses. It's like a nightmare scenario where someone has all your personal information. Fidelity brought in some fancy security experts to investigate the breach and offered affected customers credit monitoring and identity restoration services. This data breach happened after a ransomware attack on Infosys McCamish Systems, a partner of Fidelity. Although the incidents are unrelated, they show just how vulnerable our data is. It's like a digital Pandora's box, and once it's opened, it's hard to close it again. Let's move on to our crypto performance roundup. Polkadot is up 0.67%, Solana is up 0.82%, and Ripple is up 1.37%. Shiba Inu is down 1.58%, but who cares about Shiba Inu really? For the biggest gainers, Mantra is up 8.07%, Uniswap is up 7.98%, Popcat is up 6.53%, Dogwifhat is up 6.45%, and Bonk is up 4.10%. The biggest losers are First Nero on Ethereum down 16.16%, Conflux down 5.57%, FTX token down 4.80%, Aptos down 4.37%, and Phantom down 4.32%. It's a constant battle of bulls and bears, with some winners and losers. The crypto market is like a volatile jungle, and you have to know when to pounce and when to hide. Overall, the market sentiment is mixed. Ethereum and Bitcoin are showing some resilience, even with those low trading volumes. The legal developments for Heather Morgan and Ilya Lichtenshtein may influence market sentiment. Investors are also watching Fidelity's moves after that data breach. The crypto market could see increased volatility in the coming days. Traders should watch those key support and resistance levels for major cryptocurrencies. Any significant news or developments could trigger those large price movements. Before I go, don't forget about our sponsors, BuyTunix. Get a welcome bonus of up to $5,500 for newcomers on the BuyTunix cryptocurrency exchange. Click the link in the video description to get started. Now, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about today's crypto news. And if you're interested in more market analysis, be sure to hit that bell icon. Until next time, stay safe and happy trading.